Truck cooking with the TRUCKERSLIFE78 Cajun pasta.
I drive big wheels, make big meals, I'm a big deal. And I'ma hug this road until I'm up a meal. I ride good, I eat good, so I sleep good. And if it's money on the road, then put it on the wood. All gas, no brakes, this a paper chase. I ain't worried about no beef, but put it on the plate. And if it's crossing state lines, I gotta up the price. Up all day and night, this a trucker's life.
Alright y'all, we back with another video. Right now we got some sausage going in. That's the end. That is the beef smoked sausage, and we got a quarter onion going in. We're gonna let these cook down and saute up and get them all nice and beautiful. Okay, we're gonna put some salt. Salt in them things. Salt it. Pepper. This is a real simple recipe I'm doing tonight. I'm not doing nothing extravagant today. Brown. We're gonna let these brown. No, they didn't brown. I just literally turned the camera off, so they're not close. But the reason I'm not putting the oil, because sausages got a lot of freaking oil in them. There's a lot. These are very fatty. So I'm just separating them. Excuse me. Look at that. Alright, y'all. We're gonna put some garlic in this thing. We're using the garlic puree this time. There we go. We're gonna put some mushrooms. Pop this open. I like the bite of the mushroom, so there we go. A little bit more. There we go. We're gonna let this cook down after we add a stick of butter. And then we're gonna add some Slap Your Mama white pepper blend. Some parsley flakes. We got some fresh parsley. Almost forgot I had this. And I just bought it yesterday. That's the only reason I put the flakes in, because I forgot I had it sitting right next to me. I was watching SWAT, I got distracted. Alright, y'all, we got half a tomato diced, looking pretty, going in. We got a pound of shrimp, deveined, peeled, going in. And then, of course, the ready pasta. I thought I had penne pasta, but I didn't have enough for this meal, so it is what it is. Going in. 1 pack. 2 pack. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna, sorry. forgot to put that in the trash. Gonna get this cooked. Once this is done, I'll add the last ingredient, which you guys can probably guess what that is. We're gonna get this nice and cooked. Yeah, I took my braids out, so still Compton though. Still Compton though. Something so simple. You guys try this dish at home. It'll taste, it's amazing. I've made it a few times before. But we're gonna let this cook, and then I'm gonna lower the temperature and let it steam for a little bit. But hey, holla. Alright y'all, we back with the last step. Of course, you guessed it, Parmesan cheese. We need the Parmesan. We need it, and we're gonna use a lot of it. We're gonna use a half a bag of it. It's gonna be so good, y'all. Promise you. And just mix it around. Get that Parmesan incorporated in every bite. And then we got to get it back to temp, where that cheese is melted and tasting nice and all beautiful. This is my garlic Parmesan Cajun shrimp pasta. That's what I call it. That's a long ass name. I'll just call it my Cajun pasta. There we go. Cajun pasta. Okay, so we're gonna cover this up, let it cook a little bit longer, and I'll holler at y'all. Alright y'all, this is a pasta I made. Tell me that don't look delicious. Tell me what you think in the comments, and I'll holler. Nappy head jokester. Trucker's life, and I'm gone.
Stand.
I drive big wheels, make big meals, I'm a big deal. And I'ma hug this road until I'm up a meal. I ride good, I eat good, so I sleep good. And if it's money on the road, then put it on the wood. All gas, no brakes, this a paper chase. I ain't worried about no beef, but put it on the plate. And if it's crossing state lines, I gotta up the price. Up all day and night, this a trucker's life.